Join me as I dive deep into the life of Lloyd Augustus Hall and uncover the fascinating story behind this incredible figure. Lloyd Augustus Hall was a pioneering food scientist whose work has had a lasting impact on the food industry, and his contributions are still felt today. Lloyd Augustus Hall, born in Elgin, Illinois June 20, 1894, died January 2, 1971. He graduated from Northwestern University with a pharmaceutical chemistry degree. Afterwards pursued graduate degrees at University of Chicago and the University of Illinois. Was an American chemist who contributed to the science of food preservation. By the end of his career, Hall had amassed 59 United States patents, and a number of his inventions were also patented in other countries. Food preservation was a major challenge in the early 20th century, with many people relying on traditional methods like canning, smoking, and salting to keep their food from spoiling. These methods were not only time-consuming but also limited in their ability to preserve food for long periods of time. Hall recognized the need for more effective preservation methods and dedicated his career to finding solutions. The lack of effective preservation methods led to foodborne illnesses and economic losses, making Hall's work crucial to public health and the economy. His research focused on understanding the chemical properties of food and developing new methods to prevent spoilage. The early 20th century saw a significant increase in food production, and Hall's innovations played a key role in making this possible. His discoveries led to the creation of new products and processes that improved food safety and extended shelf life. The use of food additives became more prevalent, and Hall's work helped establish standards for their safe use. Before Hall's discovery, salts used for preserving and curing meat products were unsatisfactory. He prepared a new salt mixture of sodium nitrate and sodium nitrite. By flash drying, evaporating the solution, he formed preserving crystals far superior to any meat-curing salts ever produced. Hall was also successful in new sterilization foodstuffs, effectively sterilizing them and enhancing their appearance, quality, and flavor. Hall's method of sterilization with ethylene oxide became big business in the United States for hospital supplies such as bandages, dressing, dentifrices, cosmetics, and products. Lloyd Augustus Hall's legacy is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and scientific inquiry. His contributions to food science have had a lasting impact on the way we produce, preserve, and consume food, and his work continues to influence the development of new food technologies. If you'd like to share your thoughts on Lloyd Augustus Hall's impact on the food industry, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll be exploring the fascinating story of another unsung hero in science. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.